viewers, Walter here. You're in the shop with Walter. It's Wednesday night. Here's something you haven't seen in my videos lately, my walking stick that I made a couple years ago on one of my video projects. It's an old dogwood tree that I cut down and dried out for a couple of years. Stained it, put some polyurethane on it, and every once in a while I'll drag it out. I need that to keep my balance if I decide to break down and start clogging. Anyway, tonight we're going to spend a little time stripping this power unit out of this computer. And I'll let you look over my shoulder occasionally, not very much. It's not interested in watching me tear something apart. But we'll see what it looks like when I get it out of there. And if I can't get the power unit that's in this old thing to work, I'll dig it out of another computer around here that I'm not likely to ever use anyway. And I might not even be able to get the power supply unit into working. But it's a project and it's something to tinker with today. Y'all come on in and have a seat. Think of more projects to do. And I've drug up another one. I think of more projects than I'll ever be able to do. I've moved the box over there to the corner. Tomorrow we'll do another in the box section. But we're tinkering with other stuff tonight. And I'll cover some of that. I did a bit of dumpster diving today, and I don't expect this computer to work. What I'm after is a power supply unit that's probably in it. We'll find out when we get into it. I might get into it and find out it's been totally stripped. I don't know. Okay, I plugged in this computer. The fan is running. It's got lights on it, so it's definitely got power. It didn't exactly jump off the table, though. That works. USB drive. What do we got in here? We got a dongle. This thing has a dongle in it. Nobody had a wireless computer. We got a dongle. It hums, makes a noise. That's not a good sign. We're certainly not going to try to get an old computer like this running. We're going to see about stripping the power unit out of it. But it's fun to look at. What do we want to strip out first? Let's go right for the power unit. Well, my friends, I can't even begin to tell you what half this stuff in here is, but I'm having fun disassembling this thing. What do you reckon that goody grabber's for? Looks like a big giant heat sink. We got that out of it. You know what? That might be a good hard drive. What do I know? Probably an antique. We'll have fun playing with it though. Okay, it looks like if I push down on that, I ought to be able to slide it out of there. How about them goody grabbers? That was easy to get out. Just don't ask me to put it back. We might as well save some of these parts for junk to tinker with. Ta-da! I am now an official computer technician. Yes, sir, I know what makes them tick now. Y'all come on by the shop sometime and just sip some coffee and talk about our computer expertise. This Pwalpar saying, y'all have a good evening.